Hello, this is Landon from Design Visionaries, and in this video I'm going to show you synchronous modeling inside the Sketcher. One of the new features added to NX10 was the ability to use the synchronous toolkit inside of a sketch. To show you that, I have here just a little device, has a screen and a couple buttons, and I want to be able to just change the shape. But I don't actually want to have to sit there and play with the dimensions and stuff. I just want to quickly just change the shape of the sketch. I can do so by entering the sketch and make sure I'm in task environment. And you'll see that these are already dimensioned and constrained. What I could do is I go to edit curve, and you'll see right here you're going to see some of the similar functions that you would find in the synchronous modeling menu. For this, I'm going to pick Move Curve, and it's asking me to select a curve I want to move. So let's click this bottom curve here, and I want to give it a distance, and you'll see this blue arrow pops up. I can actually drag this out. Even though this is already dimensioned by 6 inches, I can still just drag it out, and by, let's say, 2 inches, and I hit OK, and you'll see that the dimension updates with it. I can make several other changes to this. I can do an offset move, where I can move several of the curves upward, and you'll see that they offset like they would in the solid. Hit OK, and it actually offsets it. The thing is, though, this synchronous will actually ignore your constraints. So if you have it fully constrained and you start using synchronous to move a curve, the constraints that were previously on the model will have to be broken to accommodate the move. Now if I can hit Finish Sketch and the model gets updated, I could go in here now, and I want to move these buttons around, so I can go Insert or Edit Curve, and you can resize curves, you can delete the curves. So I want to resize the curve. This I can actually change the radius of and play with it. So I want to bring it back to here because I might want to add more buttons along this ridge here. I will hit OK and Finish, and the model is updated. It's very similar to working in the 3D synchronous, except for you can actually do it within the sketch as well, and you get to keep the dimensions. Unlike the synchronous modeling you've used before, you would dimension it and then pull and move the model body around, but the original dimensions still stay the same. This allows you to actually modify the model and the dimensions as well. Again, this is Landon from Design Visionaries, and this has been the Synchronous Modeling Inside the Sketcher video. For more training tips and tutorials, check us out at designvisionaries.com. You can also check out our training site, NX10tutorials.com, for more cool videos. Thanks.